in north-central Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:15 p.m.
Boo.
At 2:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Maple Park, or 9 miles southeast of Sycamore, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 50 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Valley View, Elbert, North Aurora, Geneva, Lily Lake,